You have ordered dairy housing equipment from Spinder and are about to install the products in your barn. In this short video, we will explain how to best get started. In our warehousing office, your delivery is prepared by printing packing lists and technical drawings for your order. In several warehouse departments, the products are carefully collected and packaged. The bundles with fences, fronts, gates, and free store dividers, pallets and bags with components for installment are gathered in dispatch and checked once more before they are loaded on the truck. Packing lists and technical drawings accompany your delivery in the bag with the red logo. You will find important information on the packing slip attached to the freight bill of the carrier. This packing slip specifies which components are needed when installing the equipment. The bags with components are numbered, and it is most easy of you to put these in order and leave the numbered tag with the corresponding bag. On the packing lists from the bag with the red logo, you can see in which bag we packed a certain part. In this red bag, you will also find the technical drawings. These provide information about dimensions and the order in which installation should be done. This way, you will find all the information needed to successfully install your dairy housing equipment. On our website, you will find more information about our dairy housing concepts, plus all technical drawings and installation instructions.